Hello and welcome to SudoKanard. We're here to solve this extra region Sudoku by Diana Škrhová from Slovakia. It was featured in Sudoku Grand Prix in March of 2024. It was worth 54 points, which is an intermediate score, and I think I solved it during the contest, but I don't quite remember. It was some time ago, I say. So the special rule with extra regions is that every outlined region here must also contain all digits from 1 to 9. And this is it. So let's start with standard Sudoku, I think. This row needs 2, 3, 4, 7. So I will just write down the candidates because this is what I do. I'm seeing the ones here. That's a 1. Here I still need 4, 6, 7, 9. That's right. And I think this is it for this part, perhaps. Oh no, I'm seeing that 2 on the first row must go there. 2 on this row must go here, which is definitely something of interest. Here I need 3. I need a 5. I'm looking at those 5s. I get a 5 here. This is 3, 8, 9. Those are from 5, 6, 7, 9. This is from 7, 8. A famous time signature. This is from 6 and 8, I think, only. Yes, that is correct. All right, so now let's move on to special logic. So here we have a region, and we also have a region here. They have those 5 digits in common, so those 4 digits here must be the same as those. And this one is obviously none of those, not this one, so this must be from 2, 6, 7. And those must be from 2, 6, 7, and that's not so useful, I'm afraid. So what digits are very constrained? What regions are very constrained? I'm thinking 2 and 9 are nowhere here. I definitely have no memory of this puzzle. Oh, the yellow region here. I'm saying that 1 is nowhere in those cells, so 1 is here. So that's a start. What about this gray region? 1 is nowhere here, and 1 is nowhere here, so 1 is here inside this gray region. Let's move on to the red region. 1 is nowhere here, here, so inside the red region 1 is here. And we must address this light blue region, this cyan region. 1 is not here, so 1 is in one of 2 places. And there's also the purple region where 1 can only be in here. This is probably a better approach to solving this puzzle. So we've addressed digit 1. Which other digits are very much constrained? I think 2 is such a digit. Or is it? This is not so obvious. I'm saying 9 is nowhere here, but there are plenty of places for 9 inside this region. Oh, something of interest. 2, 6, and 7 can only be in those 3 cells. That's interesting. I hope it is. So here we need digits from 2, 5, from 3, 5, and 9, and this is 1, 5, 8. Except, well, one is over there. So the digits here are these digits and those two digits. Oh, that's interesting. Because now this digit must appear in the light blue region. It's obviously nowhere here. It's not here, so it has to be here. So we have a clone here with those two cells. And now we have completed the 2, 6, 7 triple. And this is the 3, 4, 9 triple. And 4 is in here. And that is very, very interesting. Because now let's recall. So let's recall that this digit must appear somewhere here. And it's not a 4. So that's a 3. So there's a 3 in there, which means that this is actually a 4-9 pair, and this is a 3. That's a very nice use of geometry. And I may have found this during the contest. It kind of rings a bell. And the missing digit here is not this one, it's not this one, so it has to be this one. So this digit is somewhere here, which doesn't seem so useful at this point. Oh, by the way, this 3 turns this into a 7 and this into a 4. Now this 4 is nowhere in those cells, so inside the purple region it has to be here. So that's a 9 and that's a 4. That's not a 4 because of this, so 4 in this area is here. This is from 6 and 9. So now what about 4? 4 is already placed in the red cells, so 4 must be here. This is 9, this is 4. And now 2 and 7 are in none of those red cells, so they must be here in the red cells. And that's a 6. 6 is not here. So 6 is around here with the 3. Or, no, sorry about that. No, the digit that's missing here is this one, so those are from 2, 3, and 7. All right. And here we have the missing digits. Oh, this 6 goes there. And it resolves those digits. That's a 8, that's a 7, that's 9, that's 6, that's 9, that's 8. This is a 5, surrounded by 6 and 9. And this is 7. Now the bottom is basically resolved. Here I need 3, 5, and 8, so this is 3, and this is a 5, 8 pair. Here we need 2, 7, and 9, so this is 9, this is a 2, 7 pair. Here I need 3, 5, and 8, so this is from 5, 8, this is from 3, 5, and this from 3 and 8. So here we need the 1, the 6, and this digit. Oh, and that's, oh yes, 5 is nowhere here, but it must appear somewhere in the purple region. So that's 5, that's 3, that's 8. And here we need 1, 3, and 6. 1 is not here. I think we're getting there. This region needs a 6. 6 is nowhere in the gray cells here, and it's not here. So inside this box, 6 goes there. 6 is not here. That's a 9. That's a 6. Now the bottom is completely resolved. This cell here is not 1 or 3, no, obviously. This cell here is nowhere in the gray in the yellow cells, it's nowhere here, so it must be the same as this. These cells contain 2, 7, and 8. Oops. What did I do? That's 2 or 7. And this is the same as that, but it's not a 2, so that's not a 2. This is from 7, 8, and that's not a 2. Here I need a 5 and a 9. Well, oh, there's a 6 here, by the way. So that's a 3, that's the 1, that's the 6. 1 is not here, it's there. This row needs a 2. It's not here, it's here. So that's not a 2. This is 7, this is 2. Here I need 5 and 9. On this row, I still need 7 is not here, so 7 on the row is here, so that this is 8, this is 7. This 8 resolves the 5-8 pair, which resolves the 9-5 pair. This 7 now gives us all those precious digits. On this row, I still need a 5. This is 8, this is 5. And this should be finished in no time. This is actually 8. Here I need 4 and 9. This can only be a 3, and that's a 2, and that's it. So I was dreading some kind of struggle in the beginning, but after all, the geometry was really not that hard, and that was a very nice puzzle by Škrhová. There again, she pulled off a very nice round, I must say. Well, that 100 plus point puzzle was a bit of a struggle. It was pretty hard, but really something nice. Thanks for watching this video. See you soon on SudoKanard.